I hope that you understood the poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo, in the previous session, and I even hope that you have done the homework, that you have to write the summary of the poem. And have you done the tune and rhythm for the rest of the stanzas? I hope you have done. Today, let us begin with our C reading from our first unit, that is Little Bobby. From our first unit, C reading, Little Bobby, which is written by Richard Long. This is a lesson which is also a humorous story. Into the lesson, I would like to ask you 2 questions. First one, do you ever write letters to anyone? Second, have you ever come across any troublemaker children around you? Have you come across any troublemaker children around you at home or school? For the first answer, we never ever write letters nowadays because we are in a digital world that we use everything online, isn't it? And second, yeah, we come across some trouble-making children around us, maybe at home or at school. Now, coming into the lesson, that is Little Bobby, that he is a troublemaker boy at school as well as at home. Let us have a short summary on the lesson, Little Bobby. The boy name is Little Bobby. In this lesson, we observe a small boy whose name is Bobby, a very naughty boy, a troublemaker at school and even at home. He wished to have a bike, that too a red bike, on his birthday. He told about his bike to his mother. As Bobby is a troublemaker, his mother wanted him to reflect on his behavior during the last years. She advised her son to write a letter to God about the bike. So Bobby went on writing letters mentioning about the behavior which was not true, and he torn the letters. One fine day he went to church and he took the statue from the church and ran out. Straight away he returned to home with the statue and started writing a letter mentioning that he kidnapped the God's mother, that is Mother Mary statue, from the church. And he is writing letter that if God wants to see his mother again, he should send a bike. See what a behavior of the boy, Little Bobby. Coming into the lesson, see reading Little Bobby from the next one. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. It was night, so mother was preparing the dinner to a family. When she is making dinner, Little Bobby came to the kitchen. His birthday was coming up and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. Every one of us think that whatever we ask on the birthday, our parents will give us on our birthday. In the same way, Little Bobby also wanted thing, and he was telling about that thing to his mother as his birthday is approaching soon. Mom, I want to buy for my birthday. Little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. As earlier we said that he is a troublemaker, a naughty boy, and a mischievous boy. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. When Bobby said to his mother that he wanted a bike, then mother thought that he deserved that bike for his birthday. Deserve means qualified to have something. Qualified to have something. Bobby's mother is telling that, do you really think, otherwise do you really deserve to have a bike for this birthday? Now Little Bobby of course thought he did. Then he really said, yes, I did. Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, Go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have lived this year. Then write a letter to God and tell Him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Now what Bobby's mother is saying, Bobby's mother actual intention is that she wants to this boy, that is little Bobby, to reflect on his behavior. Reflect means thinking, thinking about his character, that what was his behavior in the last years, and said, go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell Him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. G is capital. G-O-D, God means the holy God. Okay? The religious God to them. And tell to God whether you deserve a bike on your birthday. Little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. After listening to the mother's words, little Bobby was in upset and he stumped up the steps. Stumped means walked in a noisy way, in an upset mood. He was upset by listening his mother's words and walked in a noisy way, not calm. Some people, whenever they are upset, we see that they behave very silently because they are in upset mood. By being silent, we can easily say that they are upset. But this fellow, in an upset mood, he is walking in a noisy way, isn't it? Stumped up the steps. Where he is walking? He is walking over the steps. And Jessie means a pet dog to the little Bobby, and his pet dog is following the Bobby. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Even in the upset mood, now he wants to write a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. Now this Bobby was started sat down to write a letter, and Jessie also, a pet dog of Bobby, sat beside him and watching the Bobby what he was doing. Now as his mother said to write the letters, now he started writing the letters, and the first letter to God. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year, and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. Your friend, Bobby. Now, a short and sweet letter to God from Bobby. What he wrote, I have been a very good boy this year, and I would like a bike for my birthday. He is lying to God because he is a troublemaker at school and at home. Everybody knows that. But what he is writing to God, that he have been a very good boy this year, and he want a bike. Now, come after letter. Bobby knew that this was not true. Everybody know that that was not true, and he also knew that this was not true. He had not been a very good boy this year, so he tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. So as he was writing the letter that he was very good, he know that that was not true. So tore up the letter and threw it off, and he started writing another letter. What is that another letter? Let's see. Second letter to God. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year, and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. Your friend Bobby. Now what he is writing in the second letter after tearing the first letter. This is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year, and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Again he is saying that he have been a good boy this year. He have been a good boy this year, but that it was not true. Bobby knew that this was not true either, so he tore up the letter and started arguing. For the second letter also, he know that he is not true for being a good boy, so he tore up the second letter and again started writing a third letter. What is the third letter? Let's see. Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. What he's saying, I have been an okay, so a boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. He's wishing to have a bike on his birthday. And in third letter, he's mentioning that I have been a very good boy. He mentioned in the first two letters, but in the third letter, what he's mentioning, he's saying that he's a okay boy, so boy, so good boy. Now, Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either, so Bobby wrote the fourth letter. This okay is also not satisfied by him. The first two letters he was not at all satisfied because he know the truth. And even in the third letter also, he could not send this letter to God either because even that okay word is also not satisfied by the little Bobby. So he wrote the fourth letter. What is that fourth letter? God. There is no dear God. Now he got little bit frustrated of writing dear God, dear God, dear God. Now in the fourth letter, just he straight away started writing God. God. I know I have not been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please. Thank you. See how he is writing this letter. How is the attitude is showing in this letter. He did not mention God as a dear. Straight away he started writing the letter that mentioning God. And he's telling that I know I have not been a good boy this year. He's telling that I have not been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. And I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please, thank you. If he send a good bike, then he will be a good boy. He is giving an obligation to God that if he send a bike, then he will be a good boy. And he is requesting by saying please and also mentioning thank you to God. Bobby knew even it was true, this letter was not going to get him a bike. In the fourth letter, he knew that he have not been a good boy. Even though if he write this letter, he won't get a bike. So Bobby was really upset. What to do? Now Bobby was very upset. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. After writing all the four letters, for three letters he did not satisfied by writing a lie to the God. Fourth letter he wrote truth that he was not a good boy this year and he needs a bike. Even though he mentioned the truth also, he was not at all satisfied by the letters. Now he wanted to go to the church and straight away from the upstairs to the downstairs he came to his mother and told that he wanted to go to the church. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked as Bobby looked very sad. What was her plan? That she wanted to get a reflection of his behavior in the last year. That his son should think about his behavior, how he is behaving in the school as well as at home. Now she thought that that plan was very good and she thought that this boy was reflecting about his behavior and he was looking very sad. Just be home in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. Then what she gave the advice that just be home in time, come back to home in time, Bobby's mother told him. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. After the streets, corner of the streets, there is a church. So Bobby walked down the street towards the church, which was corner of the street. A little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. Straight away he came into the church and he was up to the altar. Up to the altar means what is altar? Altar, a table used to keep sacred things in a holy place. Altar. A table used to keep sacred things in a holy place. Now church is a holy place and there is an altar in a church where they will keep sacred things like Bible, candles, etc. On the altar. So this fellow straight away came to the church and now up to the altar. It is a table now, so he little bit near to the table. He took around to see if anyone was there. He looked around and he was observing and watching around whether anybody is there in the church. Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the mother of God. As he watched around the church and saw that there was nobody in the church, suddenly he bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the mother of the God. He slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, down the street, into the house and up to his room. He slipped the statue means he bent down and picked up a small statue. He bent down near the altar and picked up a small statue of Mary. Mary means the mother of the God Jesus. Then he slipped means move. Slipped means move. He moved the statue under his shirt. That means he covered the statue with his shirt, keeping inside and covered with the shirt, and ran out to the church, down the street, into the house and to his room. Straight away he ran to his room by the statue. He shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. Now he sat down in his room with a piece of paper and pen. Bobby began to write his letter to God. Now he started writing his letter to God. That is his letter, what he wrote next. God, I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her again, send the Bible. Bobby. Now in the fifth letter, what he is saying, I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her again, send the Bible. Now he picked up the statue of Mother Mary and slipped into his shirt and straight away he came to his room. Means he kidnapped the statue of Mother Mary. That is the mother of Jesus. And he is writing a letter to God that he kidnapped. If he wants his mother, he should give him a Bible. And he wrote Bobby. See what is the attitude of the Bobby here. Very humorous, no, this story. Now go through the lesson once and go through the meanings, glossary from the textbook. Now I would like to give you a task which you have to complete in this series. Okay. Now let us have a look on the glossary from the textbook. Troublemaker, a person who often causes trouble. Deserve, qualified to have something reflect him. Stumbled, walked in a noisy way, in an upset mood. Altar, a table used to keep sacred things in a holy place. Troublemaker, deserve, reflect, stump, altar. Apart from this, if any meanings are there, you write it. Okay. Now, from the lesson, you have to answer the questions which is given here. This is your task. Which is the most humorous action from the lesson? Give reasons. Now, write a summary of the lesson, Little Bobby. Now coming to the discussions. First one is conversation. Write a conversation between Bobby and his mother to the context from the lesson. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. He came to his mother in the kitchen room when she was preparing dinner, and he said, Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. In that context, you write the conversation between Bobby and his mother. Now coming to the second discourse, letter writing. First one is conversation. Second one is letter writing. Write a letter to your friend, inviting him on your birthday. Okay, write a letter to your friend, inviting him on your birthday. Children, I hope that you will be doing the homework as soon as completing the sessions. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.